If you want to move your logo on Squarespace, whether that means shifting it left, centering it, or placing it on the right, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to change your Squarespace header layout on both desktop and mobile, so you can get the logo placement that fits your brand perfectly. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace site and click Edit in the top left corner of the page preview. This opens your site in editing mode, where you can make layout changes to the header and other parts of your website. Now move your mouse over the very top section of your website. As you hover there, you should see an option appear that says Edit Site Header. This is the button you need to open your header settings. Go ahead and click it. Once the header settings pop-up box opens, look for Edit Design. Depending on your Squarespace version, you may also see a layout section icon instead. Click that layout option so you can view the available header layout presets. Now you'll see different visual layout options for your header. This is where you can reposition your logo. If you want a classic look, choose Logo Left and Menu Right. If you want a more balanced and centered style, choose Logo Center with Menu Left or Right. And if you want a cleaner, more modern alignment, you can choose Logo Right with Menu Left. Select the preset that matches the style you want for your site. As soon as you choose a layout, Squarespace will update the header automatically so you can preview the new logo position right away. Take a moment to see how it looks across your page header and make sure it matches the design you're going for. Now here's an important part many people forget. While you're still inside the header layout menu, click the mobile icon at the top of the settings box. This lets you customize how your logo appears on phones and tablets, which is just as important as the desktop version. From here, choose your mobile layout preset to position the logo on the left, center, or right of the mobile header bar. This helps make sure your logo stays visible, clean, and properly aligned on smaller screens. Mobile layout matters a lot because what looks great on desktop can sometimes feel too crowded on a phone. Once you've picked the desktop and mobile layout you want, review the header one more time. If everything looks good, simply save your changes and exit the editor. That's it. Your Squarespace logo is now moved to the position you wanted. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next Squarespace guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.